ईज़ हो, राहत मिले, उनकी जो ट्रीटमेंट्स चल रही हैं उससे थोड़ा बेटर हो। एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन रेकी एज़ अ वर्ड क्वाइट लिटरली पॉप्ड इनटू माय हेड इन every form. I had issues related to thyroid, I had slip disc, I had, you name the disease, I've had it. I've had hepatitis, I have had everything, all kinds of things that the body can probably take. So in my entire energy work, I started with the whole exercise of first cleansing my blockages. Wherever the energies were trapped in my body, I become aware of all these blockages, where it was trapped, whether it was emotional, whether it was mental, and I started working on cleansing those blockages. So after the spiritual journey, I healed my thyroid, I totally healed my slip disc, I have healed my माइग्रेन्स थे, बीच में IBS था, कितने सारे डिफरेंट डिजीजेस थी, वो सारी हील हुई हैं. इट्स बीन अबाउट 8-10 years now that I haven't visited a hospital, not for myself.
जब हम हीलिंग मोडालिटी सीख रहे होते हैं और ऑरा समझते हैं और चीज़ों को समझते हैं, तो फिर अपनी क्लींजिंग भी ज़रूरत है. दूसरे की चीज़ों को हम आँख बंद करके भी पता चल जाता है. बट ये भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बिना इजाज़त घुसना नहीं चाहिए किसी की ऑरा में.
When you are born with a specific characteristic. You are happy. कि बच्चे को देखा है, एक रो देगा तो पूरी दुनिया इकट्ठा हो जाती है उसका डायपर चेंज करने में, उसकी एवरीथिंग. तो उसकी अपनी एक पर्सनालिटी होती है एंड उसको पता है हाउ टू मैनिपुलेट द वर्ल्ड टू make it manifest its own desires. Mindfulness. Getting into meditation is probably the next stage. But for you to initiate into the stage of meditation, you must become mindful.
We always say where we come from. It may not be the family only, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा, फैमिली, उन चीज़ों में जाते हैं. But the soul journeys, the learnings, and where are we coming from? Even our childhood. What exactly our belief systems were, right? Yeah. So it's like, are you taking that thing that's doing the study, that how to do it, probably what, when, where, like the journalism.
In fact, हमारे जो सारे इंद्रिय, जो सेंसेस हैं, हमें तो लगता है कि ये सारा फिजिकल है. आपकी फिजिकल आँखें हैं, आपकी फिजिकल नाक है. You can smell through this, you can hear from your ears, but there is an energetic extension of all your senses. The clear powers, the extra sensory powers जिसको बोलते हैं, and which as healers we are all aware of the extra sensory powers.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हमारे साथ है शोमा चैटर्जी. इसे कहते हैं, नाम तो सुना ही होगा, क्योंकि इतनी वाइब्रेंट पर्सनालिटी कि बस मैं उन्हें मंत्र मुक्त होके सुनती ही जा रही थी और देखती ही जा रही थी. शोमा ने कॉर्पोरेट से अपनी जिंदगी शुरू की और फिर कहीं पे बहुत सारी चीजें उनकी जिंदगी में खुली, उनके अंदर खुली. एक इनर जर्नी उन्होंने शुरू कर दी और वो आज इनर विजडम की कोच बन गई, जहाँ पे रेकी भी है, जहाँ पे एक्सेस बार भी है और कई ऐसी मोडालिटीज में उन्होंने माहिरता हासिल की. तो आज शोमा की जुबानी उनकी ये सफ़र, उनकी ये जर्नी और वो क्या क्या सोचती हैं जो उन्होंने इस जर्नी में पाया, उसको समझा और लोगों से शेयर करना चाहती हैं. सो वेलकम शोमा.
Thank you so much for having me here. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपके साथ ऐसे गुफ्तगू करने में, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. अभी तक हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहा and I am looking forward for a very beautiful conversation with you also.
Yeah, ditto. So शोमा, बताओ इन चटकती हुई आंखों का राज. ये जो एनर्जी में टक 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 वो वाइब्रेंसी है और कॉन्फिडेंस है, इसका शुरुआत बचपना और फिर आपका काम कॉर्पोरेट एंड देन मूविंग टू दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. everybody, I think everybody would like to hear that.
बहुत लंबी कहानी है, बट थोड़ा बहुत स्निपेट्स देती हूँ मैं. आई वॉज बॉर्न इन दिस स्मॉल टाउन कॉल्ड दुर्गापुर. इट्स इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड वहीं पे मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. स्कूलिंग मेरा वहाँ पे ही था. एंड उसके बाद कहते हैं ना कि वर्ल्ड ग्लोबल एवरीवेयर आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड एंड स्टेड एंड स्टफ. तो वहाँ से I moved out to Hyderabad. I did my graduation from there. In science, I was a science student throughout. I was making medicines in the lab in Hyderabad. एंड वहाँ से मुझे फिर जेएनयू में एडमिशन मिला टू परस्यू माई मास्टर्स इन माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। तो मैं जेएनयू आई टू परस्यू माई मास्टर्स, पर यहाँ से आई वॉज जेएनयू हैड सेड कि मुझे कहीं और साउथ में ही कोई और यूनिवर्सिटी में विच वॉज अफिलिएटेड अंडर जेएनयू मुझे जाना चाहिए। मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं था वापस साउथ में जा करके एक दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी से माइक्रोबायोलॉजी करने की। तो as luck would have it, I wasn't even prepared. But in Delhi itself, there was this MBA exam, entrance exam going on, and I just attempted it out of just interest because मैंने अपने roommates को ना तैयारी करने में help की थी. So literally like that MBA happened in my life, and I wanted to stay in Delhi. So that's probably what happened, and I finished my MBA from here. So by education, I'm an MBA graduate and a science student.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then of course, like any MBA graduate, I started my corporate journey. मैंने different aspects of marketing में अपना career किया. I was in advertising for many years. I was in sales and marketing for some time. My last corporate stint was with a very big media conglomerate. And वहाँ पे जब मैं थी तब basically there was something personal that happened. कहते हैं ना जब खुद पे बीतती है तभी आपको समझ में आती है, and that is when your journey starts. So my journey started because मेरे ऊपर कुछ बीता, and my mother was keeping unwell, and during that time my son was very small, and of course I had a lot of responsibilities family wise and everything. But mom was detected with throat cancer, and I did not know what to do, and it was very shocking for me because mere liye my mom is like, if you are finding me bubbly, you should meet my mom. I've got like maybe few 1% of her energies overall. She was beautiful, she's still beautiful, and she's somebody. This news came to me as a shock, and of course I did everything possible physically, emotionally, jitna bhi support ho sakta tha, but I was not able to travel physically to stay with her and take care of her. And that was अंदर से ना वो गिल्ट थी कि मम्मी के लिए मैं फिजिकली कुछ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस जितना हो पा रहा है वो कर रही थी. एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टू फिगर आउट कि मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकती हूँ जिनसे उनको थोड़ा सा ईज़ हो, राहत मिले, उनकी जो ट्रीटमेंट्स चल रही हैं उससे थोड़ा बेटर हो. And that is when Reiki as a word quite literally popped into my head in every form. I used to listen to that word. I would see that word anywhere. I would, it would come into my dreams. And that is how I started to research about what is this Reiki thing as a word. Why am I keeping on seeing this? और तब मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि this is a therapy that can literally help her from a distance. And that's when I learned it. And I started practicing it on myself first to see how it works. जब मैंने अपने ऊपर प्रैक्टिस किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अंदर में बॉडी में, इमोशंस में, माइंड में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज होने लगी. एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द होल थिंग दैट येस आई एम सीइंग अ ह्यूज चेंज इन माई सेल्फ. एंड साइमल्टेनियसली आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन हर. तब जाके जब उनके ऊपर चेंजेस मैं देखने लगी, दैट इज़ हाउ माई कॉन्फिडेंस स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग इन दिस होल स्पिरिचुअलिटी, दिस होल थेरेपी, द एनर्जी वर्ल्ड. यस. और जैसे होता है किसी भी हीलर के पास आप जाओ, उन्होंने एक बार ये एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया एनर्जी वर्ल्ड को, तो हम लोग, आई कॉल माई सेल्फ लाइक अ स्पिरिचुअल शॉपर में. तो
That's a good term.
I kept understanding the whole thing started becoming so interesting from a science of the whole thing. And because I'm a science student, मैं logic apply करना चाह रही थी, समझने की कोशिश करना चाह रही थी कि ये होता कैसे है, how does my hand become hot.
बट यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज बोलूंगी शोमा
जी.
कि कहते हैं साइंस और स्पिरिचुअलिटी साथ साथ चलती हैं,
बिल्कुल.
है ना?
बिल्कुल.
तो क्योंकि साइंस में सब कुछ करके एक प्रोबेबिलिटी की गुंजाइश छोड़ते हैं,
जी.
क्योंकि इन्वेंशंस हो रही हैं,
जी.
प्रश्न उठ रहा है,
जी.
प्रश्न नहीं करोगे तो आंसर के खोजोगे कैसे?
बिल्कुल.
या डिस्कवर हो या अनकवर करो,
Yeah.
राइट?
Yeah.
और फिर वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी, जहाँ क्रिएटिविटी है वहाँ क्रिएशन के साथ आप
बिल्कुल.
सब कुछ खोलते हैं.
Yeah.
तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगा कि साइंस और स्पिरिचुअलिटी हमेशा साथ
बिल्कुल साथ में है.
बहुत. और दोनों को देखो, जो ट्रूली स्पिरिचुअल, ये ट्रूली जो साइंटिस्ट हैं, उनके दाढ़ियां बड़ी होंगी, बाल बड़े होंगे, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. ओके, बस वो काम में
लगे
धुन
रहते हैं।
उनमें लग जाती है।
That's
Isn't
true.
that
It
beautiful?
is very beautiful, and that is what I found very interesting correlation between science and spirituality. And you know that is when I started to explore more कि ये कैसे होता है. And उसके बाद जो इतने interesting incidences होने लगे मेरे साथ life में, I was like, okay, this is wow. And धीरे धीरे life happened, and काफ़ी सालों से मैं ऐसे ही जर्नी में थी कि मैं अपना जॉब भी कर रही थी और मम्मी की हीलिंग, शी वाज कंप्लीटली फाइन आफ्टर 2 years. And then I continued in the journey of spiritual learnings, and I kept on learning different modalities. um, Angel therapy सीखा मैंने, crystal therapy सीखा, लामा फेरा सीखा, रेकी तो सीखा ही था, बहुत सारे different different spiritual therapies मैं सीखने लगी. एंड अपने सबसे जो फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली है वो सबसे लोएस्ट हैंगिंग फ्रूट होते हैं ना, ये तो अब उनको गिन पिक बना बना के क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरा, मैं सॉल्व करती हूँ. And I would actually start to contribute in their lives, and
And it
that is,
works. The
it
beauty
works
is,
beautifully. So then they, you know, I started to become confident, and not just that, I started to change and help people improve their own lives, and that started to give me so much of fulfillment and happiness that I can bring a change, a positive change in somebody else's life. That feeling started to really make me feel very much motivated to keep on going in my journey of spirituality.
wow,
Yeah.
so beautiful, शोमा. और मेरी ऐसी मैंने ऐसा जाना और फिर इस चीज़ का मान्यता भी है मुझे कि पहले आपकी अपनी क्लिनजिंग होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है।
जी, बिल्कुल।
जो आपके पास होगा वही दोगे, अगर डर होगा तो आप डर दे दोगे, चाहे
जी,
क्लाइंट हो या अपने हों।
एब्सोल्युटली।
अगर गिल्ट होगा तो आप गिल्टी फील करा दोगे, अगर बंधन है तो दूसरे को बांध दोगे।
जी,
अगर आपको उस चीज़ का स्वाद मिल जाए या लिबरेशन का या उस ज़िंदगी के उस सितारे जो मैनिफेस्ट होते हुए नज़र आए जब आप अपने पे काम कर रहे हो, तो वो भी आप हाथ पकड़ के दूसरे को देने लगते हो,
एब्सोल्युटली,
है ना?
बिल्कुल,
तो पहले वो सफाई होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। वो कहते हैं ना
बिल्कुल,
पहले पूरी वो बांसुरी को साफ करना
बिल्कुल,
बहुत ज़रूरी है
एब्सोल्युटली,
और फिर एक सुर बनता है किसी
बिल्कुल,
चीज़ में।
या
सो वो जो अपने साथ जो जर्नी रही, वो किस तरह से रही?
सो मैं अपने लाइफ को प्री रेकी या प्री स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी एंड पोस्ट स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी
वाह!
में बिफोर आफ्टर में बोलती हूँ. सो जब बिफोर होता था, लाइक बिफोर आई गॉट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दिस, आई वाज नोन टू कीप ऑन यू नो विजिटिंग द हॉस्पिटल. आई वुड फ्रीक्वेंट द हॉस्पिटल एवरी मंथ, क्वाइट लिटरली. ऐसा कि मेरे हॉस्पिटल में नर्सेज, डॉक्टर्स, सब लोग ना
They
पहचान
would
में
know
आ
you.
गए. अरे दोस्त दोस्त अलाउड होते थे मेरे हॉस्पिटल में रात को 11-11 बजे तक, क्योंकि मतलब यू नो पार्टी कर ही लो यहीं पे, क्योंकि तुम तो यहीं पे बसने वाली हो जैसे. तो बेड फिक्स्ड होता था. अरे इस महीने नहीं आए, किसी महीना मिस हो गया, तो डॉक्टर वुड आस्क कि भाई लास्ट मंथ क्या हुआ, ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी तबीयत. आई वुड सफर फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. सो पीपल वुड लिटरली फिक्स देयर मीटिंग्स एज पर माई साइकिल्स ऑफ द मंथ to my hospital visits, to things like that. I used to frequent the hospital quite a lot. I had issues related to thyroid. I had slip disc. I had you name the disease. I've had it. I've had hepatitis. I have had everything, all kinds of things that the body can probably take. So. After I got into the whole spiritual journey, I figured out that any disease, there is a whole trajectory, there's a whole journey that the disease travels, and then comes into your physical body. There's not just the physical body that we have. There is emotions. There is an emotional body. There is a mental body. There's a spiritual body, and the whole journey of this disease till it reaches your physical body, it is a long one. And we all begin with our thoughts of how negative and how what kind of victimization we do out of our own lives. We deprioritize ourselves. We do not express when we have to. We are last in the whole priority of our responsibilities, and as a result it has to accumulate somewhere, right? This whole energy, it does get blocked in your whole body, and that's what I realized. So in my entire energy work, I started with the whole exercise of first cleansing my blockages. Wherever the energies were trapped in my body, I become aware of all these blockages, where it was trapped, whether it was emotional, whether it was mental, and I started working on cleansing those blockages slowly and steadily. It took time, it took years, and it's still probably I am in the process of cleansing, but you know, it is manageable now. So after this whole journey, I began to realize that healing is internal. It is personal, it is definitely holistic also. It's not just about the physical disease that you get, it is about healing from the mental trauma, the emotional baggages. It's about detaching from all those attachments you've done with all those people, all those incidences, and of course the physical trauma that you've gone through during the exercise. So after the spiritual journey, I healed my thyroid, I totally healed my slip disc, आई हैव हील्ड माई माइग्रेन्स थे बीच में, आईबीएस था, कितने सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिजीजेस थी, वो सारी हील हुई हैं. इट्स बीन अबाउट 8-10 years now that I haven't visited a hospital, not for myself. So that is the transition that I have made through physically, definitely.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
ऐसा क्यों होता है शोमा कि कोई नेगेटिव या कोई ऐसे एक हैपनिंग, एक इवेंट, मिसहैप हो, तभी हम उस लाइट की तरफ बढ़ने लगते हैं या रियलाइज करते हैं हमें क्यों चाहिए वो एक
Yeah.
गड्ढा,
Yeah.
एक चोट, एक
Yeah.
मोड़, जैसे कहते हैं एक मोड़ या एक एक उस गड्ढे में एक मोच आ जाना,
Yeah.
है ना? हमें उस फ्रैक्चर की क्यों जरूरत होती है टू रियलाइज दैट ओ माय गॉड, this is
Yeah.
more to life.
Yeah.
You know, even though I believe that a nut remains a nut till it's cracked open.
बिल्कुल.
Yet वो, और हम ये पढ़ते भी हैं कि भाई वो दर्द के थ्रू वो पूरी की पूरी लाइट निकलती है.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? हमें क्यों हम we take it for granted
Yeah.
things, our body, or so expectation of society, of belief systems इतना ज्यादा हावी हो जाता है कि एक दिन क्रैक डाउन होता है.
जी.
क्योंकि जितने भी मैं हीलर से बात करती हूँ, सबके जिंदगी में एक लैंडमार्क, एक ऐसा इवेंट जरूर हुआ है
जी.
और उसमें वो खुशी का नहीं है, खुशी में हम हैं
जी.
चॉइसेस हैं,
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन जिसमें वो बिल्कुल ही नतमस्तक हो जाते हैं, हेल्पलेस हो जाते हैं और फिर एक मदद मांगते हैं
जी.
और फिर वो जर्नी शुरू होती है.
जी. जी.
ऐसा क्यों हमें, व्हाई इज इट सो?
सो आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. कभी भी पुराने ज़माने में फोटोग्राफ्स कैसे बनती थी? पहले हम एक फ़ोटो खींचते थे, उसका एक वो नेगेटिव निकलता था रील का, और उस नेगेटिव को फिर प्रोसेस किया जाता था, उसको काटा जाता था, एंड देन इट वुड गो थ्रू अ रिगरस प्रोसेस जिसमें उस फिल्म को पानी के अंदर भिगो के, उसको झाड़ के, उसको टंगा के, उसको क्लिप लगा के करा जाता था, राइट? सो यू हैव, for you to then shine into that bright photograph and be visible to the world, you must have gone through your negative imprint. Especially healers, जितने भी healers हैं दुनिया में.
Why do we say negative imprint?
Because
it is an imprint.
Well, in the world, you will have positive energy, you will have negative energy, and this is purely from the point of vibrations.
Yeah.
When you are saying that something is vibrating at, let's say, 100 hertz and above, you will give it a positive vibration kind
Higher
of a
vibration.
thing. Higher vibration, absolutely. And something that is lower, that is, in common terms, we would probably name it a negative imprint, because and now the important part is that when you are born with a specific characteristic. You are happy. कि बच्चे को देखा है, एक रो देगा तो पूरी दुनिया इकट्ठा हो जाती है उसका डायपर चेंज करने में, उसकी एवरीथिंग. तो उसकी अपनी एक पर्सनालिटी होती है, एंड उसको पता है हाउ टू मैनिपुलेट द वर्ल्ड टू मेक इट manifest its own desires. But as we grow up, we give priority to what others are telling. Our authentic self somehow takes a backseat, and we begin to become a socially trained self. A socially culturally trained self. So पापा मम्मी सबसे पहले हमें ट्रेन करते हैं कैसे बिहेव करना है. They would teach us how the ways of the world works. Our teachers would give us all the learnings and everything. Our friends, our society, everybody then adds those layers of their own projections onto us.
And then you're like,
and we believe that, yes,
yeah,
and we will believe that whatever they're projecting upon us is actually our own belief system.
Yeah.
It does not belong to them, but it is us who is actually making it as our own belief system. We begin to own what they are telling us, and that is what we become.
So it's like that कि एक बच्चा अपने आप को दूसरों की नजर से देखने लगता है और अपने आप को जज भी करने लगता है, अपने आप को अच्छा और बुरा दूसरों की नजर से देखने लगता है
एग्जैक्टली,
है ना?
यस। सो इसीलिए क्या होता है ना, जब कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन कि जब व्हाई डू वी हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट टू बिकम व्हाट वी बिकम एज हीलर्स। सो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग इनटू समथिंग एल्स, किसी और का बिलीफ हम अपने अंदर में लेके आ रहे हैं, तो हमारे अंदर में बड़े सारे लेयर्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, राइट, विच इज़ नॉट रियली अस बट वी थिंक हाँ इट इज़ अस। So for us to become aware of who we truly are, the universe, God or energy puts us through a path.
क्या ये भी एक बिलीफ सिस्टम नहीं है, नो पेन नो गेन?
बिल्कुल है, दैट इज है, बट ये भी आपको सिखाया जाता है, राइट? इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंसिंग समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड पेन is when you will be understanding that that is actually a lesson. Sitting today, which is on the other side of the tunnel, when you are going into that tunnel and when you are going through that darkness, and you're not able to see the other side, the light, you are going to go through that pain. But ultimately, when you would have crossed that tunnel and you would have gone to that light and you look back, you would have probably told that if I did not go through that pain, I wouldn't have learned my lesson and wouldn't have given that gratitude or that importance to that pain, because of which I am here today, because of which my awareness is here today, and because of which I have understood that my authentic self and being my authentic self is my choice.
And you become more compassionate also for others, and you become a torch bearer also कि भाई
Absolutely.
ध्यान से वहां गए थे ना। चाहे हम किसी यात्रा पे भी निकलते हैं और आप कहीं पहाड़ की यात्रा से आ रहे हो और तुम्हारे फ्रेंड जाने लगे, तुम कहते हो देखो भाई ध्यान से, वहां टोल आएगा, लंबी सी लाइन होगी, तो वहां से दूसरी साइड से निकल लेना,
Absolutely.
राइट?
इनफैक्ट
उस
हमारे
तरह
पेरेंट्स
से
भी यही बोलते
हाँ,
हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमारे कितने सारे उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंसेस किए होंगे लाइफ में, दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव ऑलवेज गाइडेड अस दैट यू नो हमने ये किया है, हमको ये एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, यू नो, वार्निंग, डोंट डू दैट. सो यस,
yeah.
बट taking it or how much to take is your choice, and that is what spirituality teaches you. It gives you that awareness to choose.
It is also that, Shoma, that awareness comes if you truly open to receive it. क्योंकि एक बार जरूरी नहीं है किसी ने उसे उस तकलीफ से निकले और उसको समझ आ गया, तो वो फिर पैटर्न्स बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल
तब तक वो कोर इशू वहीं रह जाता है।
जी.
इंसान बदल जाएगा, दूसरा इंसान आ जाएगा, बट इमोशन से यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द सिमिलर feelings and emotions and feeling less and victimized and whatever, right?
Yeah,
It stays because हम वो learning नहीं लेते।
correct.
चाहे वो स्थान बदल जाए, जगह बदल जाए,
Yeah.
right? जॉब बदल जाए,
Yes,
इंसान बदल जाए,
बिल्कुल
लेकिन वो लेसन अभी भी लेना, लर्निंग लेना जरूरी है।
बिल्कुल.
And
Yes.
that's where I think the dawn, the cracking into
Yeah,
a dawn,
yeah.
and that's why they say the dawn cracks,
Yes, it does. It does.
right?
But you
Sun
know,
sets, dawn cracks.
बिल्कुल. But more than इसका learning is of course very important. But what do you do out of that learning? I think that really uh, is a game changer, because when you learn, you become aware. Yes, but for you to really get out of any pattern, you need to work on putting a full stop to that pattern.
Consciously,
Absolutely.
conscious action.
Yes. So for that, when you are mindful, when you are aware, and when you use your awareness to do conscious, to take inspired actions towards breaking that pattern, that's when you actually become the true version of your own self.
Shoma, I see a lot of clarity in you. Is it because you come from the science background and then into marketing, a corporate? And this is where, when you understood the spirituality, right, you got clear various things, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then this came because I meet a lot of people from the spiritual world, and they may not be so, what should I say, well versed and to explain it so beautifully, because they are going through their journey, they are into surrender mode, and then they learn how to market, and then they learn the corporate language. You understand? But you had done the homework before, right?
Yeah.
And you got the clarity,
Yeah.
and you got into this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And you know it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
otherwise they go through, and then they go through a different ways of, you know, becoming one.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
It's a very
So-
interesting question you've asked. Actually, now that I'm thinking about your question while you were saying, it kind of makes me feel that all of this that I have done so far in my life, career wise, everything, they were probably tools to get me here where I am today.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, because inherently, I have always been a curious kid. I have always been somebody who would want to get to the depth of something to understand it at a deeper level. Whether
Science.
it is, yeah, I mean, probably science has been in me always.
Exactly. You are science.
Yeah, well, I mean,
And
we
then
all
also
are,
in
aren't we?
microbiology, you wanted to study that.
Yes, yes.
So understand where you're coming from. We always say where we come from. It may not be the family only, क्योंकि
Yeah.
हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा, family उन चीज़ों में जाते, but the soul journeys, the
Yes,
learnings, and
yes.
where are we coming from? Even
Yes.
our childhood,
Yeah.
what exactly our belief systems
Yes,
were,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
So it's like, are you taking that thing that's doing the study, that how to do it, probably what, when, where, like then journalism,
Yeah.
right? So what, when, where, who, what, everything, why, and then how. So you learned that, you understood that, and then this thing, the dawn cracked again, I would say.
Yeah.
And it just fell into space.
Yeah.
And you worked on yourself,
Yeah. Yeah.
helped it to rewire,
Yeah.
understood the concepts
Yeah.
and the energy game, and then with confidence you now heal others.
Yeah.
So that has also helped you what you have become today.
It has definitely, and it has, I think, naturally fallen into place.
Yeah.
In fact, years back, I was talking to some astrologer, and I was a little in the lower vibration, and I was kind of not being able to figure out what I want to do in my life next, in my career move, and I happened to ask this question कि मैं क्या करना चाहूँगी आगे जाके, मुझे करना क्या है? I'm not very happy with what I'm doing currently. And that person had replied to me at that point कि आप spiritual line में जाओगे. एंड उस टाइम पे मेरे को इतना, उस टाइम पे जनरली मुझे उन पे गुस्सा आया. मैंने बोला भाई मैं एमबीए हूँ, आई आई हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग लाइक दैट. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट वाज मी आल्सो. And just imagine today where I am in the complete spiritual space. So I completely believe that whatever happened, they were teachers. The marketing job, the advertising job, the learning of MBA from suddenly a microbiology or a biochemistry course to getting into an MBA was all preparing me so I can understand different aspects of business management. I can understand how to handle camera. I can understand how to handle myself with confidence. Everything. They were all trainers so that I can today live the purpose that I am here in this planet for. To basically be of service to people, to contribute, to instill confidence in them, to empower people, and to make them realize that we are all incredibly powerful, beautiful, infinite souls with infinite possibility.
So beautiful. So बैकवर्ड जर्नी हो गई. जो लोग लीडर्स पहले बनते हैं,
हाँ.
उसके बाद वो ये सब सीखते हैं. तुमने वो पहले से
कर
करके
लिया.
आए, तैयारी हो गई, औजार पूरे अच्छी तरह से शार्पन हो गए, and then I said, okay, that's
Correct.
a log now.
Correct. Because
8 hours of training and 2
Yeah.
hours of cutting.
Yeah.
So
I
isn't that
think
interesting?
inherently I've been always like that. I like to be prepared before anything. So probably वो nature जो है
That's
ना
a
मेरा,
soul. That's a soul.
yeah, that was probably my soul training me कि चलो prepare yourself. You have 20 years, you prepare. Now you get into all of this.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is a eureka moment for you.
Totally.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
I was going through those Spotify, those, the audios, and I love the depth of your voice and the, tingle in that voice. वो जो था ना कि वो अपने विषय के बारे में बता रही है, वो रेकी के बारे में बता रही है, वो एंजल्स के बारे में बता रही, and it was वो टैरो के बारे में. I heard it all. And I loved it.
Thank you.
मैंने कईयों को आगे फॉरवर्ड भी किए वो कि
How
यार
sweet.
सुनो यार, इसको सुनो.
How sweet of
I
you.
never knew whether we'll be sitting sometime like this, but this is like in November or so we spoke.
Yeah.
I think
Yes.
November, December.
Yes.
And आपने जब मुझे भेजा, I think उसी टाइम में कोई मैंने तब भी सुने. और मैंने जब आपसे फोन पे बात कर रही अचानक वो आया, and I said, oh, I have to talk to you. Because I just started this because I wanted people to know that what all kinds of modalities are there.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इतना स्पिरिचुअल कोर्सेज आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ आ रहे हैं. आई वांटेड कि आओ शेयर करो, सुनो कि क्या क्या हो रहा है, राइट? सो अब मुझे एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग उसमें लगा था दैट व्हेन यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द स्पेस ऑफ अवेयरनेस, व्हाट इज दैट?
Wow. um, I think the space of awareness is probably your journey within. It's like, uncovering every leaf, every petal of a flower, and finally reaching to its core, and then having that connection with your core, which gives you access to the infinite. Because when you are aware, you just know. You don't know how, but you just know.
It just
It just happens.
so
Exactly.
you see more clear with your eyes closed.
Absolutely. With your eyes closed, you can
You
see.
you can see,
You can see, and
you can
how.
see, watch, observe, and it's clearer,
Yes,
right?
that's very
So
true.
I think वो इंद्रियों के सारे काम नीचे हो जाते हैं, है ना?
बिल्कुल।
सारे सारे डर, सारे, अगर हम चक्रास की
सब
बात भी करें,
हाँ,
और आपके सारा एलिमेंट फियर है, गिल्ट, शेम, ईगो, सबसे करते, इल्यूजन, सब कुछ करते, और तुमने फिर आंख बंद कर दी, सारे इंद्रियों को, सुनना भी, बोलना, सब कुछ, और
everything.
फिर नेत्र को बंद कर दिया,
Correct.
and you see yourself and go inside.
इनफैक्ट हमारे जो सारे इंद्री जो सेंसेस हैं, हमें तो लगता है कि ये सारा फिजिकल है, आपकी फिजिकल आंखें हैं, आपकी फिजिकल नाक है, यू कैन स्मेल थ्रू दिस, यू कैन हियर फ्रॉम योर ईयर्स, बट देर इज एन एनर्जेटिक एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ऑल योर सेंसेस, the clear powers, the extra sensory power जिसको बोलते हैं, and which as healers we are all aware of the extra sensory powers. So all of us actually do have the extra sensory powers already within us.
The moment baby is in the womb,
Absolutely.
the
So
power
it is
all
only about when you become aware, is when you become aware of your powers that is there already within you. It's all about just connecting with that and then opening up to the possibilities that you can create.
इसके साथ साथ एक बहुत अच्छी चीज आती है जब आपको पता ही नहीं है कि क्या क्या है कुछ, जब तुम्हें पता चला तो फियर ऑफ लूजिंग भी आता है, मैंने लोगों में डाउट भी देखा है, फिर से शुरू हो जाती है साइकिल टू टेस्ट यू, है ना?
Right.
सो क्योंकि अभी तक तो पता नहीं था कि मेरे हाथ क्या क्या कर सकते हैं,
बिल्कुल.
और पता चल गया कि मेरे हाथ और मैं जो सोच रही हूँ वो पता नहीं कितना कुछ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, तो होता है "आह, कहीं मैं नहीं कर पाई तो,
Yeah.
कहीं पूर्ण तरह से नहीं हुआ तो अवेयरनेस कहीं पे तुम्हें फिर वो एक टेस्टिंग में डाल सकता है
बिल्कुल.
है ना? सो
It's a
एवरी
cycle.
मोमेंट इट्स अबाउट बीइंग माइंडफुल ऑफ बीइंग अवेयर,
Yes.
राइट?
Yes.
कॉन्शियसली,
Yeah.
एंड रेजिंग योर एनर्जी,
Yes.
राइट? वाइब्रेशंस, एवरी
Yes.
मोमेंट के ऊपर आ जा भाई।
Yeah.
अब अच्छा, हमने एक बात जो की थी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, तो जब मेरे से लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई पॉजिटिव हमेशा सोच, मैंने कहा देखो इंसान का जो है ना दिमाग, वो डोंट डोंट डू दिस में वो जो चीज मना की है उस पर ज्यादा जाएगा, डोंट सी रेड, सो रेड ही दिखाई देगा,
जी.
राइट? तो तुम सिर्फ ये कर सकते हो कि नेगेटिव को थोड़ा सा कम, और जो पॉजिटिव की है वो लंबी लकीर खींचो,
हम्म.
है ना? नेगेटिव आएगा, वो तो है, एक
बिल्कुल.
प्रोसेस में है। सैडनेस और हैप्पीनेस दो ही है ना इमोशन, बाकी तो कभी कभी ये जेलसी हुआ,
जी.
ये मतलब जो भी हुआ, जैसे और हैं, जैसे
हम्म.
इनसाइड आउट मूवी
हम्म.
में जो दिखाए थे इतने प्यारे से इमोशंस, वो
जी.
एक चीज है, राइट? लेकिन सैडनेस हैप्पीनेस चल रहा है, वो
बिल्कुल.
साथ में चल रहा है।
बिल्कुल.
सो अवेयरनेस वो भी है ना
बिल्कुल.
शोमा, to
Awareness,
become
yes.
aware that
Yeah.
this is such is life.
Yes. In fact, as healers, we do go through cycles like these, I think, very frequently. But the only difference is that now we are aware.
Yeah.
And we are aware that it is all a choice. Not having a choice is also a choice, right? When you are not choosing fear, that's your choice. You can always choose courage. When you're choosing a lower vibrational thought कि अभी हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, you can also choose to tell yourself अगर ये अच्छा हुआ तो कैसा रहेगा.
Equal and opposite, equal
Absolutely.
opposite positive thought.
Absolutely. So there is always a counter, and that is your choice. The awareness gives you the freedom to exercise that choice.
Wow. So when you talk about problems,
Yeah.
and how do you see problems when people come to you? So what is a problem, and how do you see that, and how do you approach that? With an example also you can share. You know?
Problems, well, problems are a problem when you make it a problem. It is a projection of, I would say, your inherent inner lack of something. When you are lacking something and you are not able to fulfill the self expectation of that thing within, you will always look at it as, you will seek for it externally and you will try to compensate for that. And when that doesn't happen as per your expectation, the compensation doesn't happen, you will see it as a problem. So शादी नहीं हो रही है, जॉब नहीं मिल रही है, बाहर बारिश हो रही है, all of these can be problems. Global warming can be a problem. Whatever that you want to perceive as a lack in your life can become a problem. For somebody, like बाहर बारिश हो रही है या ट्रैफिक में अटक गए, can be a huge problem. For somebody, um, a war can also not be that big a problem. You know, it is a perception of what you are projecting into the outside world.
Or how you have been injectioned in the childhood, right? And you know that belief system, what is, छोटी सी चीज में भी प्रॉब्लम लगने लगती है, तो बच्चों को भी छोटी सी चीज में ही प्रॉब्लम है, सडनली उन्हें पता ही नहीं होता। वो जैसे हाथी है ना, कि वो छोटे से हाथी को वो चेन बांध दी,
जी।
वो बड़ा हो गया लेकिन तब भी चेन से बंधा हुआ है,
जी।
उसको पता ही नहीं कि पूरी की पूरी मतलब वो तो
जी।
चेन क्या पूरा पेड़ उखाड़ सकता है। सो
हाँ।
वो एक कंडीशनिंग भी हो जाती है प्रॉब्लम मिलने में, प्रॉब्लम देखने में,
जी।
to find, to look for a problem,
yeah.
and then stop yourself. Like you said, it's a choice
हाँ,
also,
बिल्कुल।
perception also.
बिल्कुल। आई थिंक यू नो दी कंडीशनिंग जो आप बोल रहे हैं, या जो बिलीफ सिस्टम हमको हमारी सोसाइटी से मिली है, वेदर इट इज़ आवर लव्ड वंस और एनीबडी एल्स, दीज आर टूल्स that becomes habits for you. Actually, you become get into the habit of focusing towards something because आपको बताया गया है कि ये करने से वो हो जाएगा, तो आपको आदत पड़ गई है वो हो जाएगा वाला ढूंढने में।
वो डोंट वाली चीज जो है ना,
वो
तो
डोंट डू दिस,
वो फिर आप ढूंढने लगते
वो
हो।
हैबिट बन जाती है बिकॉज इट इज अ रेपिटेशन एंड बिकॉज इट हैज बीन ड्रिल्ड इनटू योर हेड repeatedly. That is where awareness comes, you know, as a tool, as a very handy tool where you become aware that, and you ask yourself, who does it belong to? This belief, this conditioning, this habit that I have, who does it belong to? Does it really belong to me?
Yeah.
Or does it
Is
belong to
this my
something
story
else?
or my father's story or my mother's story at that stage?
Yeah,
You know, और ये भी देखा है शोमा कि जब कोई अवेयर हो जाता है,
जी
यूथ यंगस्टर्स जब आते हैं, तो वो अपने आप को डिस्टेंट भी कर लेते हैं
जी
कई चीज़ों से,
Yeah.
कई लोगों से, कई फ्रेंड्स से, कई बार अपने परिवार से, क्योंकि they become aware and they start working on themselves
Yeah.
and they say no, sometimes I have to distance myself.
बिल्कुल। Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting?
It is very interesting because, I mean, you are 33% of what your environment is.
तो blindfold खोल के,
बिल्कुल।
और जब तुम टैरो में जैसे वो नहीं है कि वो तलवारें भी हैं और हाथ हल्का सा है, और मैं तो हम कहते हैं भैया उसको हटाओ, तुम्हारी रस्सी खुद ही तुमने बांधी हुई है,
जी,
उसे
absolutely.
खोलो और
Absolutely.
देखो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Right?
So when you
Isn't that it?
are going into your higher self, when you are evolving as a spiritual being, you do tend to choose to detach yourself from lower vibrational energies, whether that can be people, it can be circumstances, it can be situations or incidences. You tend to take yourself away from all those things because the goal or the focus changes into something which is way more abundant in nature.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so amazing when you realize that each drop of the ocean has the ocean within. The
बिल्कुल।
moment we realize that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
तो बॉडी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, फिजिकल रियलिटी है, हर कोई इसमें आना चाहता है इंसान की,
जी।
और उससे कनेक्टेड रहो तो
हम्म।
आपकी वायरिंग ठीक ही रहती है। कभी कभी शॉर्ट हो जाती है, बट फिर वो ठीक होने की पूरी समझ में जब आप रहते हो तो वो धीरे धीरे
करेक्ट। और आपकी ज़िंदगी एक्चुअली आप ही के हाथों में है, आपकी वायरिंग आप ही के हाथों में है। ये हमें लगता है दैट यू नो एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेस कैन फिक्स अस, but the problem, if you think if of it as a problem, will always remain a problem within you, and fixing that is also within you.
So what do you think about destiny and free will?
I feel destiny is like a Google map, you know. गूगल मैप में आप एक डेस्टिनेशन एंटर कर दिया आपने, आपका एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, आपको जाना उधर है, लेकिन आपके ईटीएस बड़े सारे हैं, है ना? आपको आपको पता है कि आप ए रूट चूज़ कर सकते हो, आप बी रूट चूज़ कर सकते हो, आप सी रूट चूज़ कर सकते हो। जाना तो आपने ईटीए, आपका डेस्टिनेशन फिक्स्ड है ही, बट चूज़िंग दैट and how you want to design your journey, that is in your hands.
But sometimes you start going and the Google tells you recenter, recenter, recenter. And you say, no, I know my way,
Yes,
right? And then it starts showing from there.
correct. That
जाना
is
वहीं है.
that is where you have exercised your free will. So as a human, we are given this boon to exercise our free will, and at any given point in time, not even God can take that away from us. So when we decide to do something in our life, and we choose to do something with all our might and all our free will, nobody in this world can come in the way of that. That I know.
द एल्केमिस्ट जो किताब में, और फिर जो शाहरुख खान बोलते, पूरी कायनात आपके पास आ जाए.
It will conspire to get you what you want.
Isn't that
क्योंकि आप अपने
beautiful?
वाइब्रेशंस को रेस करके उस चीज से, जिस चीज को आप चाह रहे हो, उस चीज के साथ मैच कर रहे हो. That is how manifestation works, so called, because it's all about vibrations. When you are raising your vibrations, let's say I want money, so a lot of money in my life. So if you want money, you become the energy of money, because ultimately everything is energy. If you want love, you become the energy of love, and focus on the energy of having abundance of love within you, because when you have love within you, you will radiate that. Your vibrations will pick up that energy, and that is what you will attract.
Isn't that interesting that vibrations attract,
Absolutely.
frequencies match,
Absolutely.
and the rhythm flows?
And it is all science.
It's all
We
science.
are walking magnets.
So भाई आप बिल्कुल ठीक लाइन में हैं.
Absolutely. We attracted each other, right?
Yeah.
We are talking.
So interesting, you know. This is so interesting. What is inner wisdom for you? Because you're known for this. जैसी शोमा चैटर्जी को inner wisdom.
Inner wisdom.
So what is that for you?
Inner Wisdom Light, the name that I had given was because, my journey was about, when my journey externally changed, it was because the journey internally changed. When I began to walk within, when I began to become aware of my journey within, I became aware of the wisdom that is present within me. And so I feel that we are always driven by this inherent inner compass that is helping us to choose, that is helping us to become aware. And so when you are operating from your inner wisdom, you shine in your own light and you become that sun of your own life. And when you become the sun of your own life and you shine in your own light, you shine that light onto the whole world. So that is the core essence of forming Inner Wisdom Light, because this is what I do. I help people to travel, to facilitate their journey within, so that they can shine in their own light.
Wow. It's like in that darkness, you look for that North Star.
Absolutely.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
that compass.
You become that North
and
Star.
you become the North Star for many.
For many, yes,
so
absolutely.
Beautiful. Wow. All the best.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
I
Thank
love
you.
that.
Thank you.
I love that flow. आपने आपकी जर्नी जैसे प्री कोविड से शुरू हुई, और आपने ये मेंशन किया था कि कोविड वाज दैट लैंडमार्क जो कई चीजें लोगों ने रियलाइज की, रीअफर्म भी की,
जी.
फिर अपने आप को रिहेबिटेट भी उस चीज में वापस, यू नो, लाइक ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड, एंड अवेयरनेस हुई है कई चीज़ों की, और फिर पोस्ट कोविड में भी उसका एक इम्पैक्ट बहुत देखे गए हैं, स्पेशली दिस एनर्जी वर्क.
जी, बिल्कुल,
राइट,
बिल्कुल.
वो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
I feel, post COVID, while there is a lot of social connection that we have, we are connected through the internet, social media, and everything, but somehow there is a lot of isolation that people have gotten into the habit of now. They are all very isolated, and so I feel now the awareness of energy work, which believes in the concept of oneness, which believes in the concept of bringing everything together, of the connection that we have any which ways within each other, the importance of this has become much more now in this current timing, because the world's energy has changed. And so, as energy workers, it is very important for us to become responsible for each other and contribute in each other's lives to empower each other and bring that inherent connection that we, anyways, have, and become aware of that as well. And not just physically, it's very important to holistically begin this journey of this divine connection that we are all connected together.
Hmm. You know, it's so interesting that the first element of any energy worker or healer is compassion,
Yeah.
forgiveness,
Yes.
non-judgmental, uh, and then being kind to oneself,
Yeah.
and the responsibility, the sense of responsibility, the duty
Yeah.
that you've understood, you have become aware of it. Now it's a duty.
Yeah.
And with fundamental duty, the fundamental rights, they go hand in glove. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it is very beautiful. In fact, जब आप बोल रहे थे तो मुझे रेकी के principles याद आ रहे थे. जब कोई भी रेकी healer, when they are initiated into the whole protocol of Reiki and the process of the healing journey, the first 5 principles of Reiki are actually like these.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Mikao Usui, who rediscovered Reiki, he introduced the 5 principles to his students. The first principle is about just for today. You live in the present moment. And because your mind is a pendulum between the past and the future, it's hardly in the present. And that's why the present moment is called a present. It's a gift.
Yeah.
So be in the present moment just for today. And then he talks about just for today, I will not be angry. Anger is one emotion that talks about control. You want to control everything external to you. And when it doesn't happen, you will become angry. Why is my son or daughter not doing the homework? Why is this not happening the way I want to? You become control. So it is about evolving from anger to self control, to being calm. That is one principle. Then it is about worry, the second one, where you keep on worrying about the future and then create a future which does not even exist. So how can you bring yourself back to the present moment and begin to enjoy and become peaceful in this moment? Because if you are peaceful, you can create a future that you can truly design and live. The third principle is about kindness, not just to the world but yourself first. Half of the times we are not even kind to ourselves. We will not have food on time, basics.
We are never taught to be kind to ourselves.
Exactly, so you need to be kind to yourself first, and of course when you become the energy of kindness, you will reflect that in the whole world.
You'll respect.
Absolutely.
Kind.
The fourth principle of honesty. When you are honest, are we honest to ourselves?
Authentic to
Are
ourselves.
we? When you begin to become honest with yourself, you actually see that in your world.
डरते हैं,
बिल्कुल.
हम सच्चाई से डरते हैं, इसलिए वो कहते हैं ना, झूठ के
एक वेल है.
मास्क
हाँ,
बदलते जाते हैं.
हाँ,
झूठ के पैर नहीं होते.
Absolutely. There is a veil, there's a mask that we have put on, to be someone else, because that is how the society will look at you as, to project something that you are not. But ultimately, if you are honest, there is nothing more fulfilling than that. आपको डर ही नहीं होगा किसी चीज की. And the final principle, which I love, my utmost favorite, is gratitude.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Gratitude is, I feel, the world's biggest currency. आप कभी भी किसी को थैंक यू कभी बोला है, आपको कुछ मिला है, तभी आपने थैंक यू बोला है. So it always takes you away from the lack mindset to the have mindset, and makes you feel abundant because you have something because of which you are able to say thank you. So when you were talking about all these beautiful emotions, these are the principles that mainly all Reiki healers, they practice on a regular basis every day of our lives. And if we can, अभी हमको लगेगा बहुत ज़्यादा esoteric टाइप का कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये क्या है, ये काइंडनेस, ऑनेस्टी, स्कूल में बचपन में सीखा था, बट
पंचतंत्र की कहानियों में सीखा था.
राइट. लेकिन अगर आप इसको जिंदगी में फॉलो करोगे तो आप देखोगे हर छोटी बड़ी चीजों में भी अगर आप ये करते हो ना,
करते हैं.
बिल्कुल,
हमें सब, और इसमें कोई वो ईगो की बात नहीं है, ये हम खूबसूरती से करते हैं,
जी
दूसरों के लिए करते हैं शायद
जी
शोमा,
जी
अपने को माफ करना भूल जाते
जी
हैं।
बिल्कुल
दूसरों को तब भी हमने सीख लिया कि
बिल्कुल
सॉरी बोल दो, चाहे डर से कर रहे
जी
हो, चाहे चाहे उस माहौल को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके या शांति के लिए कर लो, यू नो,
बिल्कुल
टू मेंटेन पीस। ओके, आई एम सॉरी,
जी
बट द फैक्ट इज दैट व्हेन यू से सॉरी दैट आई सफर्ड, no, I went through, I'm sorry that I ignored myself,
या
you know, that is something which
Yeah.
is so important, to be
Yeah.
kind to yourself,
बिल्कुल ये
because ultimately what you are, you give to others what you have,
Yes,
right?
absolutely. I
So
think acknowledging
interesting.
this is very, very
Acknowledging is so
important. The validation that you're seeking externally, आपको वो अंदर पहले करनी चाहिए. You need to validate your own feelings.
आवाज ही बदल जाती है
बिल्कुल
जब तुम साइलेंस में बैठते हो और तुम कहते हो कि अच्छा 1 मिनट पहले अपने से बात कर लो,
बिल्कुल
अपनी सॉर्टिंग कर लो,
बिल्कुल
फिल्टर कर लो, राइट, और फिर बोलो, और तुम्हें उसमें रुक के, और जब तुम बोलते हो तुम्हारी आवाज की टोन,
बिल्कुल.
डेप्थ, सब बदल जाता है।
In fact, I do this mirror exercise and I even
Yeah,
advise it to a lot of
even
people.
I do.
So when you're talking to yourself and you're acknowledging your own feelings, even if it is negative, positive, happy, sad, whatever feelings you have, when you're talking to yourself, you're acknowledging yourself. You basically validating each and every feeling that you are going through while you're talking to yourself. So while the shadow side of it is you, the happy side is you. Every part of whatever your emotions are, that is all you. It is very important that we accept ourselves with all of this together as a holistic being, because हम positive हैं definitely, हम negative भी हैं, and that is us, and it is okay not to be okay also.
To acknowledge,
To
that's such a
acknowledge
beautiful
that.
thing कि हाँ मुझे चोट लगी, हाँ
बिल्कुल
मुझे बुरा लगा,
absolutely
अब क्या करना है, the choices,
yes
now what to do,
yes
that is so important.
yes. It begins with acknowledgement, but you also need to act.
Yeah.
आपने एक्नॉलेज
Action.
करके फिर आप सल्क कर रहे हो कि हाय मेरी जिंदगी हाय तौबा, फिर ना, you need to take actions towards creating that change also.
Yeah.
And I think that is a very, very important role for us as healers and energy workers, where when people are lost and they don't know where to take that first step, that's where we would probably step in and give that external help when they really need that. Give that hand to hold when they really need that. Because problem छोटी हो बड़ी हो उसके लिए तो बड़ी ही है ना. हम अपने ज़िंदगी में प्रॉब्लम हमारे से बड़ा करके प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि कोई स्क्रीन हो सामने और प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसको, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम उस टाइम पे प्रोजेक्शन में बड़ा ही होता है. उसको रियलाइज़ करवाना कि आप एक इनफाइनाइट बीइंग हो और आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स कभी भी आपसे बड़ा हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज़ क्रिएशन तो इधर से शुरू हुआ है. तो अगर आपने प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करेंगे, आप उसका सॉल्यूशन भी क्रिएट कर ही सकते हैं. ये अवेयरनेस दिलाना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है एज़ एनर्जी वर्कर्स.
So beautiful. जिसने वो गेम खेली हो, जो स्पोर्ट्स के बेस्ट कोचेस हैं, वो खुद प्लेयर्स रहे हुए हैं, है
एब्सोल्युटली.
ना?
सास भी कभी बहू थी.
That is true. So isn't that most beautiful? Otherwise, क्या होता है कि हम सीधा कुछ शुरू करते हैं, सीखते हैं,
जी.
और फिर हम सोचते हैं कि ये बनाएं या ये करें किस
Yeah.
तरह से. But when you have gone through that
Yeah.
journey,
Yeah.
right? And
Yes.
then you specialize.
Yeah.
But वो 10वीं तक सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने ही पड़ते हैं.
मैं बिल्कुल.
फिर
जब
चॉइस होती है 11-12, फिर ग्रेजुएशन की चॉइस है, फिर मास्टर्स, फिर एमफिल.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? Then PhD, फिर doctorate, and then you proceed, and then you understand कि, और जितने लोग जब छोटे क्लास में होते हैं स्कूल में, उतने ही कम होते जाते हैं उस सब्जेक्ट में, मेंटोर और वो 5-7
Yeah.
बच्चे,
Yeah.
यू नो, और तुम फिर इंटेंस हो जाती है तुम्हारी स्टडीज.
The bottom of the pyramid theory is also like that only.
Exactly, that's
I
what.
mean,
So this
ultimately you
is
go up and
all
you
the pyramid.
actualize and you
Actually,
focus and you then become one.
yeah.
And then everything is your playground, not just those aspects.
Yeah, I always, you know, not compare it, but exact replica of this pyramid theory as Maslow's law
Yeah.
with chakras. नीचे
बिल्कुल.
सिक्योरिटी और वो, और
Absolutely.
फिर सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन आपका
बिल्कुल.
ऊपर जाके आ जाता
बिल्कुल.
है.
Absolutely.
Isn't that
Very,
interesting?
very interesting. Even the mind is like that.
Yeah.
You know, more than, yeah, of course the chakra is like that. The mind is also completely like that. There are so many layers of the mind when we are in the beta state right now. All conscious, and the brain is working fast right now. But when you begin to go to the alpha and then the theta and then the delta, it kind of narrows down and helps you to get into that doorway of single focus where you can then open up to the infinite. So that's also very beautiful.
Yeah, and that's what you teach in meditation.
Yes.
What would you like to tell everybody about meditation?
I think meditation is the single most powerful tool that is given to people on this planet. And every single person, whether it is a child or an adult, must at least once experience the incredible power of the mind. Because through meditation, you can open doorways to any possibility, any possibility. You can heal diseases, you can manifest things, you can receive messages for your next project, you can predict the future, you can design your life, you can do anything you desire, and you can solve any problem, so called, with everything that meditation can do for you.
Wow. So it is said that कोई कहते हैं कि 108 तरह की मेडिटेशंस हैं, कोई कुछ है, किसी की अपनी-अपनी मेडिटेशन के अपने-अपने उन्होंने टाइप्स और अलग मेथड्स बनाए हुए
जी,
हैं,
जी,
राइट? हर एक के अपने हैं।
जी।
What is the most important, the basic, which everybody must do it? Which is the basic meditation?
I think mindfulness. Getting into meditation is probably the next stage. But for you to initiate into the stage of meditation, you must become mindful. अपने बॉडी के साथ आप कनेक्ट करें, सबसे पहले अपने सेंसेस के साथ आप कनेक्ट करें. बिकम माइंडफुल ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट इज प्रेजेंट ऑलरेडी विद इन यू and outside of you. When you are using your eyes literally to see, when you're using your ears to hear, when you're using your sense of taste and smell, the feelings, your power of becoming present in this very moment becomes much more amplified. And when you're totally present within your own self, with whatever situation or circumstance that you're in, you will then be able to be in full control of your own self. And that is where you can um, initiate yourself into a meditative process where you are then able to guide yourself into creating or visualizing something that you want to manifest in your life.
Yeah. So एक ध्यान है, ध्यान बिंदु,
जी,
राइट? और उसके बाद वो जर्नी शुरू हो जाती है विजुअलाइजेशंस
जी,
की,
जी,
एंड देन क्रिएशन।
जी,
आफ्टर अपने पे सफाई करके,
जी,
है ना, पूरा
बिल्कुल,
अपने आप को नला धुला
बिल्कुल,
के स्वच्छ
बिल्कुल,
करके
बिल्कुल,
सोच में,
बिल्कुल,
आत्मा में,
बिल्कुल,
और फिर तुम चाहे अंदर जाओ, एक एक बॉडी के पार्ट पे
बिल्कुल,
जाओ,
बिल्कुल,
विजुलाइज करके हीलिंग
हाँ,
कर, बट पहले अपने आप को साफ करना और
बिल्कुल.
उससे, और माइंडफुल होना, फिर
Mindful होना,
मेडिटेटिव होना।
you can take care of, like, the basics are postures, your posture. बहुत लोग स्टार्टिंग ही करते हैं लेट के मेडिटेशन में, सो जाएंगे obviously because the body is not trained to sit in that focused posture for that long, right? So I would say that when you have to start, don't start with long meditations which are visualization techniques. Just sit with your breath for
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Become
Sit.
conscious of your breath.
Yes, become conscious of your breath, become conscious, don't try to change anything. Just become aware that you're breathing. That in itself is such a beautiful experience. You are breathing. Life is a cycle of breathing ins and breathing outs. The day you stop that, your life is stopped. Become aware of that. And then you become aware of the other senses that you have with the right posture, with the right support of your back, with the right hand gestures. Then get into the process of visualization, of focusing your awareness to wherever. It can focus on the third eye, it can focus on the body, it can project something that you want to design or create as a visualization. But the idea is that you are using your senses to project something through your meditation. You can also connect. If you're getting into spiritual meditations, you can also connect with beautiful beings like angels, like spiritual beings, like so many things. I mean, you are aware of course, with it, but you can use that to create a portal and transport yourself, literally teleport yourself to a different world altogether. You can use your body, the Tai Chi exercises. There are moving meditations. There are dancing meditations. You can quite literally use the resource that you have, this temple that you have, your senses, your body, to create something infinite through your meditation.
सो ब्यूटीफुल। और कई बार मैं ये भी बोलती हूँ कि एक लंबी मेडिटेशन से अच्छा आप दिन में छोटी छोटी 5-5 मिनट निकाल लीजिए 4-5 बार and become mindful
बिल्कुल।
and become mindful of your breath, right?
Yeah.
Conscious of your breath.
Yeah.
और कई बार मुझे कोई बच्चे आते हैं या कोई भी बड़े आते हैं तो कहते हैं कि भाई ये तो काम में बिल्कुल है। तो मैंने कहा काम में पूरा ध्यान लगाया।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, that is meditation.
Absolutely.
That is also that you're mindful, you're exactly doing, and you're so conscious, and
Yeah.
you're lost in that,
Yeah.
in creation,
Yeah.
creating something,
बिल्कुल।
doing your work
Yeah.
itself.
बिल्कुल। In fact,
Such a
you can,
meditative.
yeah, you can be mindful not just with your, body. You can be mindful in everything. आप ये ग्लास उठा के ये पानी पी रहे हो, you can become mindful of every sip that you take. You can become mindful of the food that you're eating.
And the making and the preparation of food.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You know, I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
it's so beautiful.
Yes, that's true.
Wow. Wow, Shoma. Great. Okay, let's talk about manifestations.
Wow. I would love to. Yes.
Tell me.
I think manifestation is overhyped.
Because everything आजकल पैसा और वो एक रिश्ता बस manifestation में I feel क्या कर रहे हो भाई क्या कर रहे हो so yeah overhype हो
I
गया
think manifestation is just about इतने सारे लॉज निकाल दिए हैं। मतलब मुझे लगता है पढ़ाई करके करके पता नहीं कितने सारे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट वाइब्रेशंस। इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट। We are, like I said, we are all walking magnets. We are electromagnetic beings. Our mind is generating an electronic wave. Our heart is generating a magnetic wave. Together, our thought, when we are thinking something, it is the 3H technique. It's so famous, right? Your thought, which is in your head, is translating that electronic wave to your heart, which is creating that electromagnetic frequency, which is leading to your hands, and you're taking an action. The manifestation process is just that. It's just that you are creating a specific energy field of vibration by consciously training your head towards something that you desire. And when you are training your head with consciousness and energy attached to it, you become the vibration of what you want to attract in your life. And when you are becoming that vibration, there is no separation between you and that which you want to be. And so you become that, and you attract that, and you manifest that in your life. So if you want to manifest a house of your own choice, you become the energy of that house, because ultimately everything is energy. If you want to attract your soulmate, your partner, you become the energy of the person that you desire to be. You become that. So when you become that, you naturally tend to attract. Sometimes I have couples who come and tell me that, my husband does not give me attention enough. We used to go out on so many dates. Now he doesn't take me out on dates. It's become very transactional. So I say that if you want to attract him, and have the same rekindling of your love, are you becoming the energy of love yourself? You go out on your dates and become that energy of happiness within, because when you will begin to reflect that happiness through your energy field, you will begin to attract the same thing. Try this. Why not?
Wow. What is a soul journey? How do you describe a soul journey and soul contracts?
Wow. मुझे लगता है soul is like a passport. And जितने भी हमारे lifetimes हैं, all are like visas. There is an end date, there is a start date, there is an end date.
और रिजेक्ट भी हो जाता है,
रिजेक्ट भी हो जाता है,
वेटिंग में भी है,
करेक्ट। एंड
सिर्फ 1 महीने का मिलेगा, सिर्फ 15 दिन के लिए, और उस मकसद के लिए मिलेगा। आप काम के लिए गए तो बस उस उतने टाइम का वीजा होगा, नहीं तो इलीगली रहना पड़ेगा,
करेक्ट,
अलग चीज।
एंड टिकट्स जो टिकट आपने करी है, दे आर सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स। सो I simply said, like, you have a passport, you have visas. it's prefixed for you that yes, you're. And you know, an interesting thing is that we think that our soul is in our body. It's actually the other way around. Your body is in your soul. As your soul is way bigger. It has a purpose. The visa की validity बड़ी मतलब बहुत दिनों तक है. So the day you realize that you are a tool for the universe, you have a purpose for the universe. Um, and the day you discover that purpose, that ikigai within you, that is where you would have started your soul's journey already.
So what about so many people in different countries? I'm not talking first world countries or second. There are so many countries where the population are still with the basics and still they are connected to that one, right?
Right.
They haven't come out. They don't know the world.
Mm-hmm.
Probably they've been enslaved by so many big dynasties and all. What about that journey of those people and that population? Big chunk of people. Again, it's a pyramid,
It is a pyramid, yes.
right? Because
Yeah.
everybody is so loosely using this word
Hmm.
purpose of life.
Hmm.
What is my purpose? I have
Hmm.
to help 100,000 people in my
Hmm.
this many years. It's a
Hmm.
very American term which
Hmm.
is going on like life coaching.
Hmm.
You know, the first thing, how many people you want to affect in your coming 5 years or 10 years. This is my lifetime purpose.
Hmm.
It's very
Hmm.
Americanized.
Yeah.
So being here,
Hmm.
both of us,
Hmm.
hardcore Indian,
Yeah.
what is it? Where our Sanatan was already connected.
Yeah.
Right? The roots are already divine and connected and everything, our history, right? Still, that feeling what has transpired now, it's everybody feels that it has a purpose to help everybody and to make other person reach somewhere. Why surrender that? Don't you think there is a spiritual ego which really downs the moment you understand? That's the easiest. The more people feel they are connected, very few they actually surrender.
Hmm.
And then we have this, we have understood this. They haven't yet. I've heard this term lot many times. I used to have my center for more than 10 years and no judging, no nothing. But suddenly me and we, they, this
Separation.
term separation, demarcations appear.
Hmm.
And then we're talking about my journey with the divine purpose.
Yeah.
And suddenly everybody's,
Yeah.
and suddenly somebody is lower than that. And that's where I would tell them the spiritual ego
Hmm.
is larger than any other ego,
Yeah.
whether it's money or anything.
I feel when you are truly spiritual, when you have
When you have
experienced
understood,
and experienced the connection,
yeah,
with the oneness, there is no space for separation. There is no space for um, I and you, this and that. Because the moment you bring judgment, there is separation. The moment you begin to create from the space of oneness, there is only possibility. So, for people who bring in these things that you're talking about, the spiritual ego and all of that, um, I think the awareness and the acknowledgement of that is important. Probably um, they need to be shown the mirror of what they are missing out and brought to the level of awareness where they can get back to the connection of oneness overall. Because all of us as humans do have this tendency to get into the cycle of being lost and not being even aware that we are lost at times. So, again, it is very important at that point in time for us as energy workers to bring the awareness in people um, that you can transform back into the wave of higher vibration. As simple as that.
या जब हम चक्रों की बात करते हैं तो जैसे जैसे चक्र मूलाधार से होके शुरू होके ऊपर सहसारा में आते हैं तो शिव शक्ति और एक हो जाते हैं। उसी तरह से जब आपकी एक जर्नी, एक आत्मा की जर्नी यात्रा चल रही होती है तो वो तुम में और उसमें कोई फर्क, तुम एक बन जाते हो और तुम और जो भी चीज है, व्यक्ति विशेष, वस्तु, स्थान, वो एक बन जाता है। उसे कहते हैं आई बिकम यू, आई कैन फील यू,
बिल्कुल।
राइट?
यू आर अ को क्रिएटर ऑफ योर लाइफ। क्रिएटर ने आपको बना दिया, आपको एक
And
फॉर्म दे
then
दिया।
and then you can feel,
Yeah.
even though you cleanse yourself consciously every day,
जी।
right? Yet I can feel you.
Yeah.
Especially जब हम हीलिंग मोडालिटी सीख रहे होते हैं और ऑरा समझते हैं और चीज़ों को समझते हैं, तो फिर अपनी क्लिनजिंग भी ज़रूरत है। दूसरे की चीज़ों को हम आँख बंद करके भी पता चल जाता है,
जी।
बट ये भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बिना इजाज़त घुसना नहीं चाहिए
बिल्कुल।
किसी की ऑरा में,
बिल्कुल।
राइट? सो आई बिकम यू से लेकर over there and here, it should be similar. Then you become, again I say, compassionate, forgiving, kind, and have the humble humility and have the attitude of gratitude.
बिल्कुल।
Besides taking it as a profession, being clear, being, authentic to your work, that's one thing. Yet, these things, the qualities which you have mentioned, are the most required.
Very, very important. Yes, that's true. But as a healer, you also are just a channel that
Medium.
you're a medium, you're a channel to, source the beautiful energies that is abundant and so healing all around you to people who receive it. And with their permission, if they are willing to empower, the channeling becomes so profound that you're able to finally see that connection between the divine and the receiver. So I think that is also a very beautiful experience as healers. While we, of course, cleanse ourselves, um, our journey is not really part of the receiver's journey. And of course, there is a separation there consciously. But as a channel, when you're able to channel this abundant healing energy into the person who's receiving it and seeing a transformation in their life, that is very, very fulfilling. And that really makes you feel that how incredibly powerful the energy world is and how intelligent it is that it chooses you at the right time, at the right moment
When you're ready.
when you're ready.
Wow. बाकी प्रॉब्लम्स तो आती जाती रहती हैं। जिन भगवानों को हम पूछ रहे हैं, जो अवतरित हुए हैं, उन्होंने जन्म लिया है और वो अपने दुख से भी निकले। जिस राम को पूछते हैं, जो सीता के लिए है, चाहे शिव की सती के साथ यात्रा या पार्वती के साथ यात्रा या किसी की भी, उनके भी उतार चढ़ाव उसी तरह उन्होंने अपने भाग्य को भी भोगा है।
बिल्कुल,
तो
बिल्कुल।
ये सोचना कि मैं तुम आम ब्रह्मास्मि होते हुए भी,
जी।
सोहम को मानते हुए भी, सब कुछ करते हुए भी, वो वहां ऊपर से कोई भी आदेश कौन सा आ रहा है, कमांड, ये नहीं पता। चाहे बुद्ध हो, चाहे यीशु मसीह हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, चाहे गुरु हो हमारे, सबने अपना भोगा भी है और फिर चमके और कईयों को राह दिखाई।
जी।
तो यहाँ पर एक बहुत खूबसूरत सरेंडर भी है।
जी।
है ना?
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली। आप सरेंडर करेंगे अपनी ईगो को, तो ही आप एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएंगे।
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow. What would you like to tell the viewers?
Just be you, understand who you are, become connected to your own self. And the day you are aware of who you truly are, you will know that there is a world of possibilities around you. And that is very beautiful.
Thank you, Shoma.
Thank
What
you.
a conversation.
I know.
मजा आ गया.
सच में. It's been a pleasure having having this beautiful conversation with you. So thank you so much for having me here. I mean, and for giving me this opportunity to finally meet you in person and have a very heartfelt conversation.
Wow.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Shoma.
Thank you.
आज की जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है ना, वो बहुत खूबसूरत है। जो शोमा चैटर्जी है, वो उन आत्माओं से है जो जिनकी यात्रा एक अवेयरनेस के साथ है, जिनकी यात्रा दूसरों को टॉर्च दिखाने वाली है। वो नॉर्थ स्टार हैं जो कईयों को, जो रात को जहाज निकलते हैं उस समुद्र में और वो नॉर्थ स्टार ढूंढते हैं, वो नॉर्थ स्टार है शोमा चैटर्जी। इनके बारे में सारी जानकारी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगी, लेकिन तब तक जुड़े रहिए और पूरी कॉन्वर्जेशन सुनिए। सो थैंक यू।